I'll draw your attention to a small presentation that I would like to go through with you. On this slide, you can see it's written Indians 20 years of state-sponsored terrorism, but actually it's much more. So we are just giving you a cut of the last 2 decades, because the Indian state-sponsored terrorism actually goes since the inception of Pakistan. 1971 Mukti Bahani incident, the creation of Mukti Bahani, its funding, that terror organization in the erstwhile East Pakistan, now Bangladesh, is a very, very clear manifestation of that. And it keeps on going. But if you see on this slide, and I am focusing mostly on the what's been happening in Balochistan. So in 2009, Pakistan government handed over a evidence full of dossier of evidence, irrefutable evidence, at Sharm el Sheikh to then Indian Prime Minister. It's part of the history. The publicly disclosed documents that were released in 2010, part of history. 2015, Pakistan presented again dossier at that time to United Nations. Again, Indian sponsored and abetted terrorism in Pakistan and in Balochistan. 2016, the world saw another ugly face of Indian sponsored terrorism, Indian prosecuted terrorism in Balochistan, in the shape of Kulbhushan Yadav, serving Indian naval officer, who confessed in detail to all the heinous and nefarious acts of terrorism that he has been sponsoring, funding on behalf of the state of India. Then again in 2019, dossier again presented full of evidence to United Nations. Very recently, the international media has seen self-given confessions and acknowledgements of multiple surrendered terrorists of this Fitna al-Hindustan, who told that how Hindustan is funding, planning and carrying out the terrorist acts in Balochistan. And this march goes on daily basis. So this slide just gives you a context behind this cowardly, ghastly attack against our children on 21st May. So if you come to the next slide, यहाँ पे मैं आपकी तवज्जो, I would like to go along with you and the nation through this clip of what has transpired. Just see this. This is that terrorist face of India. This is that actual cruel, evil face of Fitnatul Hindustan. Please remember this. ये है जो 21 मई को हिंदुस्तान के हुक्म पर फितनौल हिंदुस्तान के दहशतगर्दों ने किया है इसमें कोई इंसानियत, इसमें कोई मोरालिटी, इसमें कोई बलोचियत, इसमें कोई पाकिस्तानियत? And is it one of? Please go to the next slide. ये मैं आपके सामने अप्रैल 2024, तकरीबन 1 साल से कुछ अरसा ज्यादा के वाकयात रख रहा हूं, where this Fitna al-Hindustan has been deliberately targeting innocent civilians, women and children on the instructions of India. 12 अप्रैल 2024 नोशकी 12 innocent laborers, poor laborers, मजदूरों को शहीद किया गया। 28 अप्रैल 2024 केच में फितना अल हिंदुस्तान ने मजीद 2 मजदूरों को शहीद किया। 9 मई 2024 सुरबंदर ग्वादर 7 बार्बर्स को, हजामों को शहीद किया गया जबकि वो सो रहे थे। They were slaughtered by Fitna al-Hindustan. 28 सितंबर 2024 पंजगूर अनदर 7 पुअर लेबरर्स, मजदूरों को, गरीब लोगों को शहीद किया गया। 10 अक्टूबर 2024 दुक्की में गरीब मजदूरों को, 21 मजदूरों को जो कोल की माइनों में काम कर रहे थे, उनको शहीद किया गया। 13 नवंबर 2024 जियारत, 3 मुसाफिरों को, 3 पैसेंजर्स ट्रेवलिंग इन बस, they were martyred again by फितना अल हिंदुस्तान। 10 फरवरी 2025 केच, 2 टेलर्स को, 2 दर्जियों को, गरीब 2 दर्जियों को उन्होंने शहीद किया। 14 फरवरी हरनाई, 10 मासूम लोगों को एक आईडी एक्सप्लोजन में शहीद किया गया। 19 फरवरी बारखान, 7 मुसाफिरों को बस से उतार के शहीद किया गया। फितना अल हिंदुस्तान, द इंडियन प्रॉक्सी।